Hello and welcome everyone. This is the Digital TV Source. My name is Eric, aka the Digital TV Geek. I'd like to thank everyone for subscribing, comment, liking, sharing the videos. Thus far, I've been bringing to you guys. I appreciate the support so much. Keep on doing that and bringing on new subscribers along the way. And I also want to apologize first off for the video quality in this one. It may not be up to par, especially the sound aspect of it, but I am doing new things, trying new things here to improve my content and ways I'm getting you streaming content. All right. But in the meantime, between time, I have for you today GearsLaunchpad.com. That's correct. GearsLaunchpad.com. Something brought to us overnight, last night, matter of fact. As I'm recording this, from the crew over there at GearsTv Reloaded TV. Doing a wonderful job, Potts, Mayfair, rest of the group, Omar, Mark, England, so forth, so on. If I forgot you, fuck it, you know who you are. Anyway, in the meantime, between time, let's get to it. Reloaded, right now it's up. Gears and Streams of Us are coming along, but let's get into Reloaded. And this is on my laptop here. You can do this on pretty much, I guess, any Android or iOS device, I'm sure as well, with a browser. You can pretty much load this in. Just put in your reloaded credentials and you're good to go. First, pull it up. You're going to have to bring it to the all section, all stations as you see. Boom, boom, boom. From A to Z. There you go. All of them, give you NHL, NBA. I'm in the U.S., so let's get to the U.S. stuff. Straight to it. I've been watching some basketball today since it's the tournament time, so let's see what we have here. Got the Mountain West Championship right now. There we go. Good clear quality picture. Here in the corner, you can make the screen as big as you want to, but for this video, I'm not. But you can if you like. We got this Christmas centric. Let's hit that real quick. Boom. Again, you're getting all your content as you like in a web browser. Pretty cool. I've seen a few other services do it as well, and I knew the people at Gears and Reloaded would be jumping on the bandwagon, as they say, but doing it as they do it. And I'm sure it's going to get only better. Love the service, love what you guys are doing. One of the best ones out there, at least I think so. Okay. Another one.
How'd you get over there?
Chicken Little, one of my favorite films.
Who are we talking about?
I love it. Well, God prevails. Like I said, I'm keeping up with my basketball tournament time. Gotta get my bracket ready for the month.
Want you Nespresso.
Nespresso. What else?
There you go, commercial. Cleaning out. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. Alright, let's go up, guys. Like I said, in the US. Got some NBA. Some NBA games are on. I think played already or played. Yeah, I think it's a 1 o'clock game. Was it early? I'm looking at it wrong. Okay, no, 5 o'clock game. That's what I was thinking about. There you go. Eastern time. Alright, that one's not found. That's surprised. Let's try 720. No. Shut the front door. Okay. Alright, guys. May have been over. No, it's not over. That was not working for me. we also have we got scrubs. Sorry, fuse. Got scrubs. And we got it. Of course. But as you see, it works, guys. Well, same for the NBA stuff. You know what? I don't know if I said this is working here. I know NBA or for NHL. We had some early NHL games. 1 o'clock, I know that. 3 o'clock, start 4 o'clock game. Black get something there. There you go.
Seemed like a similar type game you like.
Great pitch quality. I guess the link went a bit down on that, but sorry about that, guys. But you see, it works for the most part. It just works. What else? Show you here. Let's go to the music section here. What we looking like? Alright, I did notice this earlier. I thought it would load up a little bit more, but it haven't loaded up. I guess they'll fix that. But it's usually categorized, hip hop, R&B, country, salsa, whatever your listening pleasure is, genre. Excuse me. I'm just clicking here. I don't know what I'm getting. We'll find out. Alright. I would say that would be R&B. Click in that area, and I might have something similar. Maybe hip hop.
Somebody tell me this shit.
Great quality. Loving it. Alright, guys, that's pretty much it, man. You know what they do, how they do it. So, definitely check out GearLaunchpad.com. Pull this up on your web browser, and you'll be streaming your viewing content if you like it. On the go, doctor's office, train, plane, all the bills, however you want to do it. But in the meantime, between time, guys, keep on loving each other, and more or less, happy streaming. See you next time. Bye-bye.